Do you struggle with creating recipes or menus for food service items with limited ability to track nutritional information, control waste, or maximize margins? With PDI Enterprise Food Service, you can review margins and the cost of prepared food, manage ingredients, recipes, and menus using common cooking measures, easily perform audits for prepared food and products without barcodes, and centrally manage nutritional facts and shelf life, as well as allocate labor budgets proportionate to food service sales. To experience the full benefit of PDI food service capabilities, it's critical to employ it strategically for your food service program. You need to think through your menu to determine the setup that makes the most sense without overburdening your price book team. We can import crucial information such as nutritional data from vendors and export information that can be used on menu boards, food labels, scales, and printers. Review margins and cost of prepared food and compare theoretical versus actual usage through actionable insight reporting. Eliminate your food service struggles with PDI Enterprise Food Service.